Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add music to Instagram post. To begin the process, open the Instagram application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on your story on the top left, tap that, or you can just directly swipe right. Once you're at the camera section of your story, you need to swipe right over here on the bottom on the white circle grid. Tap on post. With this, you will be able to share video or a photos as Instagram post. Now from here, you select the video or the post that you want to be in the Instagram. Tap that and then tap on next on the top right corner. Now here you will be able to make the changes, like you can add filters over here, and if you tap on edit you will be able to make the changes manually. You can have all the options over here to make your photo or post even more presentable. Once the edit or the filter process is done, tap on next or the arrow on the top right corner. It will direct you to this page over here where you will be able to add caption, tag someone if you want, and then just below that you will have the add music. Tap that. Now here you will be able to add music to that Instagram post. You can choose the music from here. These are the all music that is available for you to use in your Instagram post. If you tap on browse, you will be able to browse the genre of music that you want to post. There's Christmas, birthday, R&B, pop. Likewise, if you tap on the search bar on top, you will be able to search for the particular song that you want on your Insta post. Now type in this song, tap on search. Now it will provide you with this list of songs that is related to what you have just typed in on your search bar, and from there select the music. The music has been added to the Insta post of yours. So here on the bottom you will see this rectangular grid over here. So you can choose the song or the lyrics that you want on your Instagram. If you swipe right or left, you will be able to select a particular verse or the lyrics from the song to be in that Instagram post. You can also choose the amount of time that you want this song to be about. Tap on the 30. You will have the option to choose the seconds that you want on your Insta post. You can choose the clip duration for your Instagram. Now if you swipe upward or downward, you can select the seconds from here. Choose your time period, then tap on done. And once all it's done, you tap on the tick mark on the top right corner. Once the music is added, you tap on tick mark on the top right corner. With that, the post will be posted on your Instagram. And there you can see the post has been done along with the song that you have added on your Instagram. So this is how you can add music to Instagram post. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.